Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect hard-boiled eggs. First, carefully place your eggs in a single layer at the bottom of a saucepan. Next, cover them with cold water, ensuring there is about 1 inch of water above the eggs. Then, place the pan on the stove and bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat. This initial step sets the stage for evenly cooked eggs. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, immediately remove the pan from the heat source. Cover the pan tightly with a lid and let the eggs sit in the hot water for 12 to 15 minutes, depending on your desired yolk firmness. After this time, quickly transfer the eggs to an ice bath for at least 5 minutes. This stops the cooking process and helps with peeling. Peeling can sometimes be tricky, but these tips will help. Gently tap the whiter end of the egg on a hard surface to crack the shell. Then, roll the egg between your hands to create small cracks all over, which helps loosen the shell from the egg white. For even easier removal, peel the egg under cool, running water. This method often results in a smoother, cleaner peeled egg. Proper storage ensures your hard-boiled eggs stay fresh. If peeled, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Unpeeled hard-boiled eggs can last a bit longer, typically up to 1 week, also in the refrigerator. They are a versatile ingredient, perfect for adding to salads, making deviled eggs, or simply enjoying as a protein-rich, convenient snack anytime.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.